They don't know my story, they just know my sound. They don't know how far I'm coming from.
Yes, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy Stola Masicka. Make them know say it's a far journey him a come from, dog, but him there. Masicka make them know say him a set it like how Bob set it. Masicka say in him brother Hannah when put the beamer key. Masicka say a real estate him a pray. And bumbo clock right and now the man drop the Porsche Jeep. Viewer subscriber, meds. Viewer subscriber, before we go down in a certain things, we are gonna tell you this. You see the Jeep when Masicka got, dog, you can't walk in a shop, go just buy that. Them the kind of Jeep they have to order. You talk about top of the range Porsche Jeep, dog. You see me? So first me and tell us that Masicka have to wait couple months before him get that. So you know see a long time Masicka pre that, dog. You see me? That the thing they in a order from long time. And at them the kind of level they don't have to know where Masicka depend. Because Masicka don't tell you the level where him a meds. Masicka already don't tell you the level where him want depend. Bob level him a tell you. A man say him a pre certain things, dog. And real estate and all of them things they in a hit. You see me? So Masicka now just want for the down just on a level as in a normal level. Masicka make you know say a higher level, dog. And a them the kind of thing the way you have to respect Masicka for. You get me? So when you see the Jeep, your dog, don't take that Jeep you lightly. You see me? That Jeep you come with certain kind of button in a hit, dog, where me I tell you say, yo, we touch it and certain boy can't see it on the road fam. A them ya kind of Jeep that Masicka got, dog. Seeing the ramp with the Porsche Jeep them, dog. A foreign we live, we know about them thing. You get me? And we have to say X amount of respect goes out to Masicka. If you know say boy, you know what? A them kind of thing ya meds. A them kind of thing ya pray. And we love to know that, dog. Higher level. Viewer subscriber. When you hear Masicka say, yo, they don't know my story. They just know my song. They don't know how far him a come from, dog. And them your kind of level there where Masicka make you know. You see me, dog? So when you see the man a buy up a Porsche Jeep, when you see the man a buy up a Bentley, when you see the man a buy him Beamer, when you see the man a buy the Benz, dog, you see me? The man a set him things in a fit him own way, dog. And we have to say respect and congratulations to you, Masicka. You get me, dog? See? Because we know say a higher level you want to reach, dog. We know say a higher level you push it to, dog. You see me? And at them the kind of thing that we look on and say, yo, viewer subscriber. We glad for know say Masicka climb up a ladder slowly but surely, dog. Put it that the way there. And we say congratulations on your new present for the Christmas, dog. But right now, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload it first to get it. We not say nothing more. One.